My name is Samantha Pownall. I am an attorney at the New York Civil Liberties Union, and I will be teaching the Suspension Representation Clinic at New York Law School this September. The most exciting part of the Suspension Representation Clinic is the opportunity for students to see a case from its beginning to its end and have the chance to have a real impact on their clients' lives. I like to tell students to think of it as an education law with a focus on suspensions clinic, meaning that the cases that we will take will be students who are facing superintendent or long-term suspensions, so suspensions of 5 days or more, or over 5 days, from the New York City public school system. But of course, other aspects of education law will kick in. So for example, oftentimes students who are suspended from school are students with disabilities, and certain rights attach for those students, so there will be a component of special education law. In addition, unfortunately, oftentimes when students are facing suspension, they may also be facing an arrest. And so we might touch on some issues in criminal law and low-level violations as well. The skills that students will get out of the Suspension Representation Clinic are learning how to research and apply different aspects of education law, some of which is very hard to find, so that's good research experience for the future and in any attorney job. Students will also learn how to think and argue on their feet, how to develop a theory of the case, how to develop cross-examination questions of witnesses, and direct examination questions as well. Students will have the opportunity to argue in front of a judge and to make their case. So those skills are obviously, I think, would be very attractive to students who are hoping to be trial attorneys or advocates in another capacity, but too, it combines the legal research and writing skills that are essential to any successful legal career. This is the clinic that, as a student at New York Law School, really inspired me to apply for the job that I now have and do the work that I now do as an attorney. I really encourage students who are familiar with the school-to-prison pipeline and who are passionate about protecting students' rights and ensuring that young people have access to a quality education, seriously consider taking this clinic.